Hi guys, this is Zoe Cat. I'm gonna do a room tour. I just went to Joann's today, which is where I work also currently, and I get really good deals. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought today, okay? And just everything in my room. So what I bought today is these beautiful lights. That I have hanging. I bought this decorative pillow that goes on my bed. I got this, this I already had from Target. I got this cute plant. This is my little setup right here. It's my TV. I do my YouNow videos right now. My room is a little dirty, of course. I gotta clean up a little bit more. But this is where I do my YouNow videos, and I'm gonna do my YouTube videos. My YouNow is I am Zoe Cat. So please make sure that you get on there, add on my Instagram, my YouTube, of course, subscribe, my Facebook. I have Facebook, and also my Snapchat is ZoeCat96. Okay. So moving on, this is my my curtains. This is one of the pictures I got. Enjoy today. This is a little bit of a cute little design that I got. This is my closet. It's a big closet. It has all my clothes. I still have to put some clothes up. This is my stand. This is my back wall. Oh, sorry. My back wall. My poster. This is my bed. This is where I put my clothes. Okay, and also, I love Barbie. This is my bathroom. We got just simple I don't have too much stuff. I just so yeah, but this is my room tour, and I got like cute lights. I like the vibe a lot. The vibe in here is really chill. So that's all for today. So just give me a comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. Constructive criticism I'm always for. Also, let me know what videos you want to see. Right now my hair is purple, but I wear wigs. So I have other wigs that I'm going to do a video on. So just let me know what else you would like to talk to me about. I'm going to do a day in the life soon of Zoe when I go shopping and when I get paid. So just let me know, okay? Have a great night. Snapchat, ZoeCat96, Instagram, Facebook. Give this video a like. Subscribe, please, guys. And I'll see you next time.